talked about a date value function that allowed me to take a text-based date and convert it to a date for Excel, so I could do calculations and other things with it. In this video, we're going to expand on that, and we're going to talk about a date function, which has a little bit different setup and a different purpose, but here's the idea. So let's say in a list you had the month identified with a number, you had the year, and you had the day. And what I want to do is I want to combine these into a date. Now, if I use a concatenate function, the result's going to be text. I don't want that. I want the result to be date. So you actually have a function called date. And what it requires is it requires the year, the month, and the day as separate pieces. So here I have date, open bracket, and then the first thing it wants is the year. Well, that's in B2, comma. Then it wants the month. That's in A2 in this particular case, comma. And then it wants the day, and that in this case is in C2. I can close the bracket. I've given it the three pieces it needs. You hit enter, I get the date. I can of course fill this down through my list, and now I've combined these three different pieces, month, year, and day, into one date format. I can do calculations with this date. I can format this date to different formats. We can do everything we could with a normal date in Excel. So the date function will combine year, month, day into a single cell and then format it as a date.